Don't underestimate a small, delicate grass. The detailed distribution of plant organs is responsible for the absorption of nutrients, water, and reproduction of offspring. Like a small but mysterious world of life, stem and bud. The stem is the support of the plant and has the function of conduction. The stem is also the location for germination and growth, and is divided into terminal buds, axillary buds, and indeterminate buds according to the growth location. The stems of herbs are called stems, and the stems, leaves, mainly responsible for plant respiration, photosynthesis to produce nutrients, and because of the evaporation of water from the leaves, will lead to the rise of water in the roots of the plant, is the plant's pumping station. Roots, they are the basic of plants, mainly responsible for supporting and absorbing water, nutrients, and air from the medium, and the thicker roots contain more storage functions, and the real location of absorption is at the very end of the root hairs. Flowers, flowering, and fruit production to produce seeds is the ultimate purpose of plant growth, and the main part of the plant that horticultural cultivators appreciate. Question: do you know the names of the 5 major tissues of plants?